Okay, let's make a start. What's your favorite number?
My favorite number is 7, and my date of birth is 7. So and
What is your favorite number? I like number 7 because my date of birth is also 7th January. And this number has proved very lucky to me. Therefore, I love number 7. Something like that, okay? Let's go on. Are you good at remembering phone numbers?
well, I don't good at remember.
I'm not good at.
I'm not good in remembering the phone numbers because it's quite difficult to remember different codes and number. So it's easy for me to just save the number and search it by the name.
Okay. How often do you use numbers?
Numbers in what sense?
How often do you use numbers? For example, I use numbers every day, especially when I go for shopping and I pay any amount. I use numbers there. Whenever I need to call my friends, I use their numbers. So numbers are very important in life and I use them every day.
Okay, alright.
Okay, now answer again. How often do you use numbers?
I use numbers almost every day because it helps in any kind of transaction.
They help.
They
Numbers.
Numbers help in any kind of online transactions. You can pay.
Okay, so we use numbers every day.
Okay.
House number, telephone number, mobile number, credit card number, and anything like that. Okay, so try to come up with more ideas and elaborate them. Let's go on. Do you prefer a long break or several short breaks while you're working or studying?
It depends. If I am very tired, I prefer breaks, a long break. If I have a work to do, I would prefer breaks.
Okay, try to speak energetically and confidently. Let's go on. What do you usually do during a break?
I would sit on a bench in a park and I would see some beautiful flowers and sometimes I would listen to music. It relaxes me and it makes me feel good. So
Okay, why do you need a break?
to relax our mind, we need a break. So after a very hectic life routine, we need a break. So
Okay, just try to use a different words. For example, we need some off time or we need some time to relax instead of break, and try to speak more, at least 5-6 sentences, and speak actively. Okay, thank you so much.